Okay, we are clapping key workers today, but there's not so many here today. But there's a few of us have come out. So, but the weather, as you can see, is not so nice tonight. We got rain. I don't know where Tom and Margaret and Philippa are, but and Sue is not out. So there's not so many. Pauline and Barry out down the bottom, Hillary. That's a good few out, but somebody looks like somebody's got their pots and pans out ready to make a noise. But I think the weather's put a lot of people off, but we're clapping. I don't know if I'm going to do a very big video because there's not so many people out tonight, but better keep an eye on the time. How long do we do? 5 minutes? 2 minutes? 3, was it? One more to do. That's it, 3 minutes. Yeah, so we're well, that's it from our street in Coventry, United Kingdom.